Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth the Mark, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Thundermans Dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Thundermans Dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to join the superhero family and hopefully become a superhero. You know what I might be able to do? I might be able to talk Phoebe into going out on a date with me. Then she would start dating me. I would become her boyfriend. And I would also become part of the family, which would make me a superhero. That would be so amazing, guys. That would be so amazing. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 blue wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that. Right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur yellow wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your blue wool. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead, run, jump on up, grab your blue wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 yellow wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of my buns. Son of my buns. That really hurt, guys. That really did hurt. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 blue wool on this side. And then 5 blue wool smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 yellow wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to subscribe to this channel, guys, to stay up to date with all my amazing videos. Please make sure to smash that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. But now it's time to head into the Thundermans Dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys, especially if I get that date with Phoebe. Oh my God, guys. I knew the Thundermans lived in a nice house. I did not know they lived in a mansion. Wow, guys. I've got to join the family now. If you're watching this video right now, Phoebe, please go out on a date with me. Make me your boyfriend. I'm not ugly. Or I might be ugly. I might just not know it. You know, it is like what they say. You're always the last one to know if you're ugly. So I could be ugly. I mean, look at my face. Am I ugly, guys? I mean, I don't think I'm ugly. Nobody's ever looked at my face and had like that disgusting look on their face. Or have they? I don't know, guys. If they have, I can't remember it. Even if I am ugly, still give me a chance, Phoebe. Still give me a chance. I really want to live in this house. And I also really want to be a superhero. So please give me a chance. But let's go ahead and let's see what's inside their mailbox. Chicken? Really? They got chicken? I gotta eat some of this, guys. I gotta eat some of this chicken. Oh, that's good chicken, guys. That's good chicken. You know what? I probably shouldn't have ate that chicken. I don't know where that chicken came from. Guys, I would never suggest eating chicken out of a mailbox. If you find chicken inside a mailbox, don't eat it, guys. Don't eat it. It's not a good idea. But let's go ahead and let's see what's inside this mansion. Oh my Thundermans. Wow, guys, this mansion is way nicer on the inside than I expected. Wow, look at how futuristic this sofa is. Wow, guys, I could just sit back on the sofa and watch the TV all day, guys. All day and all night. But you know what I'm questioning? I'm questioning why they have so many books. Like, I love books. Don't get me wrong. Well, actually, I only love Minecraft guidebooks. Like, I read tons and tons of Minecraft guides. But that's about it, guys. That is about it. That's all I read. So if this was my bookshelf, it would be full of Minecraft guides. Hopefully their bookshelf's full of that too, but I doubt it. It's probably full of that educational stuff, guys. And they got a lot of them. They got a lot of books. They really love books. But this must be their kitchen, guys. And holy guacamole. They got a cake. I gotta eat this, guys. I'm not going to eat it all. I'm not going to eat it all. I'm going to leave some for them. But wow, that was delicious cake. They also have double sinks. Wow, guys, I love double sinks. And you can also step up on their sink and actually look outside at the neighbors. So you could be like stepping up on the sink, you know, maybe like washing your feet, and also peeking on the neighbors. That's really cool, guys. That's really cool. They also have a really nice refrigerator. They have some beef, some chicken, and some bread. I'm going to take all that because they don't need it, guys. Let's be honest, they're superheroes. They can go through whatever restaurant drive-thru they want to go through, and they're going to get the food for free. Because people give superheroes food for free. I would never get that kind of treatment. Never would I get that kind of treatment. Wow, I really love their table. This is a really nice table. You know what would make this table even nicer? Is if I had some friends to sit with at this table and drink my chocolate milk. But sadly, I don't have any friends. I don't have any friends, guys. But let's go ahead and let's check out the rest of this place. What is this? What is this, guys? Where does this lead to? I hope this don't lead to something bad. Oh my god, guys. This is Max's bedroom / man cave. Wow, right here he is, guys. I cannot believe I am actually meeting up with you. Is it okay if I date your sister, Phoebe, to join the family? I think it's okay. I think it's okay. But you better stay away from this TNT. Because TNT's dangerous. Like, really dangerous. And I won't want you to blow up this mansion. That would be really bad. That would be really, really bad. But wow, guys. I really love this place. This place is really nice, guys. And right here's his rabbit. Wow. Wow, it is such an honor. It is such an honor to meet up with you. Wow. And right here's his computer, guys. He probably searches a lot of stuff on this computer. A lot of stuff that I can't even talk about. He probably searches on this computer. Yeah, just do whatever you want with it. Do whatever you want. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. Is that all right? Okay, I'm going to leave. Don't search up anything crazy. All right, guys. He thinks I'm gone. He thinks I'm gone. Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't, guys. He knew I wasn't gone. He knew I wasn't gone. But wow, guys, this place is amazing. What does this lead to? What? What? This is their bathroom? This bathroom's nicer than any of my bathrooms. Wow. Look at this toilet, guys. This is a nice toilet. And they also have double sinks. And they also have a gigantic bathtub. Wow, guys. This place is amazing. I've got to join the family, guys. I've got to join the family. But let's go ahead and let's head on up the staircase, guys, and see what's happening. Whoa. This must be the mom and dad's bedroom. A lot of stuff probably happens in this bedroom, guys. Like, they probably watch tons and tons of cartoons. That's what I would do, guys. That's what I would do. I mean, these Ender Dragon heads would kind of freak me out. Actually, they would really, really freak me out. You know what? I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave their bedroom. I'm going to definitely leave their bedroom. And oh my God! No way! It's Phoebe! Whoa! She is even hotter in person, guys. Wow, we gotta go on a date. We've just got to. We would be such a power couple. Look at us. She's definitely looking at me, guys. She's definitely into me. You want to see something really cool? Yeah, check out them buns. Check out them buns. She definitely likes me, guys. She definitely likes me. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to see what's inside these chests. Nothing. 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 Why even have a bunch of chests if you ain't going to put nothing in them? What? They have cakes, diamonds, and cookies. Wow, guys. Am I in heaven right now? Am I in heaven right now? Oh my God, where did she go? Where did she go? I think I might have creeped her out, guys. I think I might have creeped her out. And oh no, right there she is. Did you put that cake on your bed for me? She really does love me, guys. She really does love me. Wow. You know what? I'm going to give you some diamonds. There you go. Keep those diamonds because when we get married, I'm going to have to stick them in your ring. I'm going to have to stick them in your ring. But wow, guys. I love her bedroom. Not as much as I love her, guys. But I do love her bedroom. And wow, she has a really, really nice view of the neighbors. I would be peeking through the windows all the time. They would be looking out the window like, what is that freak over there doing with them binoculars looking through our window? That's definitely what would happen, guys. You know what? I'm going to leave her some diamonds on her bed. And I'm also going to put some cakes on her bed. Because that's what you do, guys. That's what you do when you love a woman. But oh my God, where did she go? She keeps running from me. What are you doing, Phoebe? What are you doing? You're my only ticket into this family, into this mansion, and in to being a superhero. So please, please, never leave me. Even if you do think I'm ugly. Which I'm not ugly. I'm not ugly. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Oh, and also let me know if you guys think it's going to work out between me and Phoebe. I think it is, guys. I think she really likes me.